We have in front of us. The question is supported with a figure. Let us understand the question with the help of the figure. It says that a solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. It says that we have a solid. It is in the shape of a cone. The cone is standing on a hemisphere. Further, it says that the radii of the cone and the hemisphere is same and it is equal to 1 centimeter. Next, it says that the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Now, we know that the radius of the cone is 1 centimeter. So, we can say therefore, the height of the cone is also 1 centimeter. Next, it says that find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. Now, in terms of pi simply means that we have to get the answer for the volume of the solid without substituting the value of pi. Now, we know that the entire solid is made up of a cone and a hemisphere. So, we can say therefore, the volume of the solid is equal to the volume of the cone plus the volume of the hemisphere. Now, let us first focus on getting the volume of the cone. Now, my dear students, what is the formula for finding volume of a cone? Yes, it is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now, next focus on getting the volume of the hemisphere. What is the formula for finding volume of a hemisphere? Yes, it is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now, let's see the given information. We have the radius of the cone as well as the hemisphere equal to 1 centimeter. So, we can say that we have small r, that is of cone as well as of hemisphere. Next, we have the height of the cone equal to its radius and it is equal to 1 centimeter. So, we can say that we have small h as well. Now, we can focus on the calculations. We know that h is equal to r is equal to 1 centimeter. Let's first get volume of the cone. The formula is 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. Now, let us substitute the values. In place of 1 upon 3, we'll write 1 upon 3. Pi will write as pi. We know that the radius of the cone, yes, it is 1. So, we'll write 1 into 1. Now, we know that the height of the cone is also 1. So, we'll write into 1. Now, we know that 1 by 3 into pi is 1 by 3 pi. 1 by 3 pi into 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1 by 3 pi. So, we can say therefore, the volume of the cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi centimeter cube. Next, we have to calculate volume of the hemisphere and the formula is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Now, let us substitute the values. In place of 2 upon 3, we'll write 2 upon 3. Pi will keep as it is. Now, we know that the radius of the hemisphere, yes, it is equal to 1. So, we'll write 1 into 1 into 1. Now, we know that 2 upon 3 into pi is 2 upon 3 pi. 2 upon 3 pi into 1 into 1 into 1 is 2 upon 3 pi. So, we can say therefore, the volume of the hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi centimeter cube. Now, since we have the volume of the cone as well as of the hemisphere, now let us calculate the volume of the entire solid. We know that the volume of the entire solid is equal to V1 plus V2, where V1 stands for the volume of the cone and V2 stands for the volume of the hemisphere. We have the volume of the cone equal to 1 upon 3 pi and we have the volume of the hemisphere equal to 2 upon 3 pi. Now, we can take 3 as the LCM. So, in the denominator we have 3 and in the numerator we are left with pi plus 2 pi. Now, pi plus 2 pi is 3 pi. So, it is 3 pi upon 3. And we can cancel 3 and 3. So, we are left with pi. So, we can say therefore, the volume of the entire solid is pi centimeter cube. A very, very simple sum and the same very beautiful sum. Thank you.